All participants must wear a helmet for mounted activities. Because any drop, fall, or excessive activity damages a helmet beyond repair and necessitates replacement, it is requested that only sidewalkers handle the helmets. Helmets are fit during the initial evaluation, therefore volunteers will never need to fit a helmet, only assist the rider to place and remove the helmet at each class. First, check the schedule to confirm helmet size. Next, locate the appropriately sized helmet from the shelving unit. Ask the rider to remove any headwear, as no hairbands, headbands, or hats may be used inside the helmet. Use the dial to fully widen the helmet. Place the helmet squarely on the rider's head. Turn the dial to snugly tighten the helmet. Before fastening the chin strap, please ask the rider to nod their head yes and shake their head no. The helmet should not move. If movement occurs, please tighten the helmet further. Next, buckle the chin strap. However, be sure to place 1 to 2 fingers between the buckle and the rider's chin to avoid any pinching or discomfort. You should be able to get 1 to 2 fingers between the chin strap and the rider's chin once fastened. A correctly fitting helmet will be squarely on the rider's head and be placed 1 to 2 finger widths above the eyebrow, and be appropriately tightened to remain in place while the rider moves his or her head and have a fastened chin strap. Please keep in mind, some of our riders have various sensitivities or aversions to helmet use. As a result, please complete this process slowly and encourage their active participation. The instructor will always complete a final equipment check prior to mounting the rider and will always be available should you have questions or concerns during this process. Gait belts are utilized on a select few of our riders that need additional assistance with balance, positioning, and function while mounted. The gait belt acts as a safety measure and allows volunteers to securely support the rider during mounted and transitional periods. Should a participant need a gait belt, this will be fit during the initial evaluation and indicated on the schedule posted in the therapy room. Please check the schedule to see if your participant uses a gait belt and confirm the correct size. Find the appropriate size from the wall hook. Gait belts should always be placed around the participant's natural waist. Place the gait belt around the participant's back such that the buckle ends up just above the belly button. Fasten the gait belt and tighten it so it is snug against the rider's stomach, such that you can only fit one hand between the rider's stomach and the gait belt. If you are placing a gait belt on a seated rider, please make the gait belt a little bit tighter as our weight redistributes when we stand, which can lead to poorly fitting gait belts. The instructor will always complete a final equipment check prior to mounting, and will always be available should you have questions or concerns during this process. Most of our participants utilize the home horses to help prepare for the mounted portion of the lesson. This 15-minute period is used to engage participants in warm-up exercises and activities. We view the home horses as though they are extensions of our actual horses, and thus utilize the same safety procedures as in the arena. This means that participants must have a helmet in place and a gait belt if necessary prior to use. We also require all sidewalkers to be present and providing the appropriate hold utilized for their participant in the arena while on the home horse. When mounting and dismounting the home horse, please ensure the blue blocks are in place at 4 evenly spaced points around the base of the home horse. The participant will mount or dismount the home horse in the same manner as he or she mounts the real horse. Instructors will be present to assist with the mounting and dismounting procedures. Participants will remain in the therapy room for 15 minutes before entering the arena for the mounted portion of the lesson. The instructor will individually call riders to exit the east door, go through the hallway, and into the arena to mount the participant. Although not required, it is recommended that volunteers familiarize themselves with the mounting order to ensure a safe, efficient mounting process.